Outside here at the radio station trying to find out who's got the manliest car horn. They're saying that possibly in the future we should replace the car horn on all of our vehicles with random animal sounds, like ducks, like quack, quack. A little bit less offensive, I guess, than regular car horns. But I think we're gonna head over to my truck and see what my horn sounds like, and we're gonna compare it to Jess's. I think mine's more manly than yours.
Talk about manly cars. Look at this.
What is that beast? All right, get ready right here. Here we go. Start her up. You ready? Good?
Yeah.
Wait, does the car have to be on?
I don't think so.
No. Okay. All right, now we're gonna run over to Jess's car. This is fast forward. Whoop! And we go. Mine is definitely more manly than Jess's. Ooh, Jess got a nice car.
Ready?
Ready, set, go! Oh! Sounds like a whiny kid.